All right, this one should be quick. It's going to be Affogato. So it's simply small cup, couple scoops of vanilla bean ice cream, and you pour a shot of espresso over that. So measure out the beans. This is what I normally do. Like, you know what? Since this doesn't require like a lot of grounds really, we'll go from the double basket to the single basket. Make sure we're on the single setting. We are. Save a couple grams of beans. So instead of doing 16, we'll do about 7 grams. And we got 8. I'll remove just a couple. Should be at 7 now. 6. All right, it's close enough. Yep. Come on. You can see it's, I had it in the freezer so I can make sure that, you know, the ice cream stays as cold as possible. The ice cream, this hot Haagen-Dazs, it likes to melt very quickly. So, got the grounds, just tamp it like any other thing. All right, sweet. Then we'll pour into this because this glass is too tall to fit under here. Just do a single. It's looking good. Looking really good. All right, nice. So we got a shot. Let me just take a scoop. I'll do like 2 scoops of this. 1. I may need a spoon or something. All right, nice. And after that comes the fun part. Espresso. I like to fill it up just about 1/3 to about 1/2. Yeah, that's perfect. There you got it. Affogato.